Today, we're going to show you several easy and effective methods to free up disk space and optimize your computer's performance. First, let's see what's taking up space on your hard drive. Go to Settings. Then System. And click on Storage. Here, you'll get an overview of your disk usage. Click on Show More Categories to see a detailed breakdown. In this list, click on Temporary Files. Wait until scanning is complete, then select the items you want to delete, for example Recycled Bin and Temporary Files. Then click Remove Files. Next, let's uninstall apps you no longer need. Go to Settings. Then Apps. Look through the list of installed apps and click on any that you don't need. Then click Uninstall. Another powerful tool is Disk Cleanup. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open the tool. Select the drive you want to clean, usually the C. After it calculates, click on Clean Up System Files. Select the files you want to delete, then click OK. Next, let's enable Storage Sense to automatically free up space. Go to Settings. Then System. And click on Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Now let's disable hibernation, that can free up several gigabytes of space. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. For that, press key combination Win+R. And type command that's shown on screen. Press Enter. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.